Here we have the 2018 Buick Cascada. Black is in excellent condition. No rust, no dings, no dents. The tires are in great condition as well.
Service, you can call line 1, please. Service line 1.
Let's take a look inside. Alright, so we've got the leather interior, which is absolutely beautiful. I love it. It's in mint condition. This vehicle is so clean. It smells brand spanking new. Absolutely love it. Let's turn that down a little bit. Got your OnStar. This has 7891 actual miles. Alright, you got your AM/FM radio, satellite radio, backup camera. Have your navigation. Got your heated and cooled seats. And you also have your heated steering wheel as well. Have a USB port, an auxiliary connectivity. And of course, this is a convertible. Got your cruise control, Bluetooth. This little guy is absolutely loaded. If you are interested, contact us today, 765-342-5000. We hope to hear from you soon.